Boy randomly hands a police officer an envelope, but when he looks inside, his jaw drops. Officer Zach Little was standing in the cold rain, helping direct traffic for a funeral procession involving two members of the same family. Soaked to the bone and emotionally drained, he finally pulled into a car park afterwards to dry off. That's when a boy, who looked to be about 10 years old, walked up to his patrol car and quietly handed him an envelope. Before Zach could ask any questions, the boy simply thanked him for his service and ran back to his mom's car. When Zach finally opened it, he found a dollar bill taped to a typed letter. As he read the note, he was left speechless. The boy, Levi, wrote that he believed police officers were some of the bravest people he had ever known. He said he understood they often faced hate and criticism and wanted to lift Officer Zach's spirits. Taped beneath the letter was his own dollar, a small gift from a little boy who simply wanted to say thank you. Deeply moved, Zach later shared the letter online, saying it had completely turned his day around and thanking Levi's mother for raising such a kind and thoughtful son.